Doge broke an insane support level, and if that sounds interesting to you, make sure to continue watching this video. We are nearing to almost 200 Telegram members. If you guys want to stay up to date with my charts as well as my trades, make sure to check out the link in the Hey guys, Pingu Charts here. Welcome back to another Doge analysis video. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio. Now, as you guys can see on Doge, we have finally seen a massive breakdown of 0.088. Of course, this was not a surprise from yesterday's video. I mentioned the fact that because we are retesting this level multiple times, we could be looking for a larger move to the downside. Our midterm support level, of course, was at 0.085, and you can see that once we broke that level, we immediately saw a very strong push to the downside, as well as the fact that for those of you that were in the Telegram channel, we saw some insane gain opportunities for those of you that listened to my BART formation on Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now that the altcoins are, of course, crashing as well, our next target on Doge remains at 0.075. This level, of course, is a very strong daily support level. You can see from previous price analysis, we've already tested this level 3 times. Now this is going to become the 4th test opportunity, and usually on the 4th test, we tend to see a massive breakdown formation. This, of course, could be the local top opportunity for Doge, and I wanted to talk about the fact that you can see that Doge had the same sort of price manipulation that we previously saw over here. We had the same exact choppy range, and once again, if we do end up breaking 0.075, if we end up holding this level, we can either see a nice confirmation and then a stronger continuation to the upside. But of course, if the 0.075 level is broken, all eyes will remain at 0.057, which is a very strong daily support. Looking at previous price analysis, you can see this level held a lot better than the 0.075 level, even from previous price over here. When Doge actually managed to break above this resistance, you can see that we didn't see the same sort of area of support being tested. We actually saw a stronger bearish engulfing candle, so this is why I never really put much weight in terms of the 0.05. I always told you guys, or sorry, 0.075. I always told you guys to pay attention to 0.08, because if that level is broken, we are going to be seeing some massive capitulation overall on Doge. In terms of the hourly time frames, you can see that as of right now, we pretty much saw that clean break retesting of these exponential moving averages as resistance on the lower time frames. And you guys already know 9 out of 10 times when you have that breakout formation and a clean push towards the downside, that is your area of opportunity to be looking for a short. You can see that we broke the level, retested as resistance, the EMA started pushing down. This was an obvious shorting position, and now we could be looking for a possible retest on these EMAs, grab those bull orders again, and then a stronger push to the downside. These sort of pattern opportunities are very easy to trade and easily scalp, so make sure you guys pay attention to the zone. But of course, you don't necessarily want to be holding a long position because of the fact that the area of opportunity to the downside is still very large. These things you have to be very careful when you are looking for that scalping opportunity, and what I usually look for in a scalp is to see where the midterm support level is. Right now, you can see that we do have somewhat support on the hourly time frames, so I would have quickly looked for a scalping opportunity even to the exponential moving averages. Because of how oversold we are, look for that area of opportunity, take my profits, re-enter that short, and then a continuation to the downside. This area is going to be acting as a very strong magnet, and you can see from the daily time frames, ladies and gentlemen, absolutely wrecked. You can see that the fact that the exponential moving averages broke and we saw that massive move. In yesterday's video, I mentioned this multiple times. The fact that we keep retesting these exponential moving averages is not a good sign. When a support level is tested multiple times, it tends to have a massive breakdown, and you can see this is the exact same breakdown I was talking about. The problem is this bearish engulfing candle was actually very strong, so we have to be very careful looking for that continuation long opportunity at 0.075. But that's pretty much all I have for you guys today. As always, if you do enjoy my content, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. If you guys are interested in free $600 Bitcoin, make sure to check out the link in the bio, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day.